better shape. Monster arm or the rubber ball. Oh, this is such a good taking away, huh?
Yeah.
Oh,
Come on, fish, where are you?
gotta get at least one.
I fixed it. That's pretty cool. Came out of that. Isn't that funny? Thank you. Was you around where the heavy wind went through?
I was, yeah. I mean, I was in North Vale. It wasn't too bad. It didn't seem too bad where I was.
I was up Fishkill, our little town of Fishkill. Yes.
I know.
Hit Newburgh. Went down to Newburgh, Fishkill, Kent. I can't three places up in that area.
Right.
And it was nasty.
Giant spiders on this
Yeah, I hate
big.
them.
Ooh. Was it dangerous?
I doubt it.
Time to have lunch now or what?
We're waiting for it to get back here. Yep. We're gonna eat as soon as the lunch gets here.